Hello, hello, hello. All eyes on me, all eyes on you. Together, let's go. Okay, good morning. Is everyone here already?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, before we start everything else, may I request everyone to please rise and let us have a prayer. Okay, Cyrus, can you please lead the prayer?
Fire.
Amen. It is indeed a very wonderful day as we are once again blessed with another day to live and enjoy the wonders of life. Do you agree with that, class?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
How are you all doing today?
We're doing great and fine.
Okay, very good. How about you, Mr. Cyrus? How about you, Mr. Cyrus?
I'm okay. Yeah, okay.
Okay, it's very good. I'm glad to hear that you are all doing good today and fine for today. Okay. Class monitor, can you please check the attendance? How many of your classmates are absent?
None of them.
Okay, very good. So it seems like a lot of you are motivated and energetic to attend the class. So I am expecting that you can maintain the same energy level and motivation at the end of our class. Okay, so as you all know, we have already set our classroom rules, right? Am I right?
Yes.
Okay, so let us have a review on our classroom rules. Okay, I have here a question. So, what will you do when you want to answer? Okay, Cyrus.
Raise your right hand.
Okay, very good. Raise your right hand, which you do
Hand.
right now. You raise your right hand. Okay, how about when someone is talking here in front? What will you do?
Hand.
Okay, Mr. Sijan. Okay, Sijan, right? Oh, Sijan. What will you do?
Yes.
Yes, very good. You listen carefully. So how about when I give an activity? What will you do?
Fire.
Okay, you cooperate and participate. Very good. So let us have a recap on our classroom rules. So what is number one? Rule number one, you raise your right hand. Second is you listen carefully. And third is you cooperate and participate. Okay, before we start everything else, can you please pick up the basis of paper? Okay, very good. Before we proceed to our new lesson, let us have a recall first. Okay, I want you to get any piece of paper to write your answer. Okay, shall we start?
Yes.
Are you ready?
We are ready.
Okay, let us start with number
10.
number 1. Okay, can you please read this statement, Cyrus?
What is the name of the circle?
Okay, what is your answer?
B.
Oh,
B.
some answered letter C and
Letter
B.
C.
And some of them
B.
also answered letter A. Okay, let's find out if it is correct. Okay, teacher says letter B. So the correct
B.
answer is letter B. So let's give a round of applause to the ones who got the correct answer.
Letter B.
Clap your hands. Clap your hands. Okay, let's proceed to number 2. Okay, can you please read? So, AD in this circle is called, what is the answer?
Circle.
Letter A. A, right? One. How about the others?
Letter A.
Letter C. Okay, let's find out
C.
if the answer is correct.
Correct.
Teacher says it's letter A.
Radius.
So it's letter A.
A.
Radius. Okay, let's proceed to number 3.
Number 3. Which line segment is
Okay, please read.
Letter A. Which line segment is the diameter of this circle?
So what is the answer?
Letter A.
Oh, letter A. How about the others?
Yes, sir.
Letter B. How about the others?
C.
Okay, there are A,
Letter
B, and C.
B.
All your answers. So let's
Letter
find
B.
out. What does the teacher says? Teacher says it's letter B. Okay,
Letter
very
B.
good. So a lot of you answered letter B. Okay,
Yes.
how about number 4? What is the name of the red colored part of the circle? What is the answer?
Chord.
Okay, C. It is chord.
Letter A.
How about the others?
Letter A.
Letter A, radius. So how about the others?
Chord.
Okay, your answers are radius and chord. Let's find out. What does the teacher says? Teacher says it's letter D. So it is an arc, not a radius, not a chord. So you got it wrong. So how about let's proceed to number 5.
Number 5.
What is the diameter of this circle?
A. B.
B. Okay. Letter B. How about the others? Letter?
Letter B.
Letter B. Okay, let's find out if it is correct. Teacher says it's
Letter B.
letter C. So it's not 2 inches, but
Letter B.
4 inches. So you got it wrong.
Yeah.
Okay, let's give ourselves a round of applause.
Letter A.
Clap your hands. Clap, clap, clap. Clap your hands. Okay, very good. Job well done. Okay. Who's up for another activity?
Sir.
Okay, very good. This time, let's play a game. Now, I will divide the class into 2 groups. Okay, count off.
1, 2, 1, 2.
Okay, group 1, please stay here in the right side. Group 2, please stay here in the left side.
Yeah.
Okay. Now, I have here 2 boxes of pizzas. So, what are these again?
2 boxes of pizza.
Okay. Inside these boxes of pizzas are 4 slices of pizza, which has letters hidden at the back. Okay. What will you do now is that you will arrange the letters and form the mystery word. Do you get it? What is it again? You will arrange the letters and form the mystery word. Okay, the moment that you will be able to arrange the letter and form the mystery word, you shout, aha! Okay, again, what will you do? You shout,
Aha.
very good. You shout, aha, and shout also the word. Okay, are you ready, class?
Yes, sir.
Do you have any questions?
Yes.
Okay, what is your question?
What will we do if we answer the...
Okay, we said it earlier. What will you do if you will answer? You shout, aha, and shout the mystery word. Okay, are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Okay, let's start. Okay, group 1, please get it. Group 2, please get it as well. Okay, let us start. In 3, 2, 1, go. Okay, time's up.
Aha.
Okay, what is the mystery word?
Sector.
Okay, very good. How about the other group?
Segment.
Okay, so what are the words that you were able to form? Sector and
segment.
Okay, sector and segment. So this morning class, our lesson will be all about sector and segment of a circle. So what you did earlier in our motivation in our game is will be connected to our lesson for today. Okay, this morning class, please read, Mr. Cyrus.
At the end of discussion, you are expected to demonstrate at least 75% proficiency level in.
Okay, Mr. Belando, please read.
Illustrate sector and segment of a circle.
Number 2. Okay, Miss Syra.
Differentiate a sector from a segment of a circle and
number 3.
solve form for the area of sector and segment of a circle.
Okay, so our objectives here in our class for today is, at the end of the discussion, you're expected to demonstrate at least 75 proficiency level in number 1, illustrate sectors and segments of a circle. Differentiate and from a segment, of a circle and solve for the area of sectors and segments of a circle. So can I expect that from you, class?
Yes, sir.
To deepen your understanding on our new lesson, let's have an activity. But for you to be guided on our activity, let's agree with the following rubric. So this is our rubric. So 3 will be the highest score, 2 and 1 will be the lowest. So here are our criteria. So we have correctness, cooperation, and timeliness. Do you agree with the given rubric, class?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now I will be dividing the class into 3 groups. Okay, count off.
1, 2, 3.
1,
2, 3.
1,
2, 3.
1.
2, 3.
Okay, group 1, please stay in the right side. Group 2, stay in the left side. And the remaining group, which is the group 3, please stay at the back side of the classroom. Okay, group 1 will answer activity sheet 1. Group 2, will, of course, will answer the activity sheet 2. And 3 will answer the activity sheet 3. So, do you have any questions, class? Okay, there are no further questions. Okay, let's proceed and start our activity. So, I will be giving you 5 minutes to finish the work. Okay, let's start, class. Okay, let's start. Okay, time's up. Let's check the work. Okay, group 1. Any representative from group 1? Okay, group 1. Let's give a round of applause for group 1. Okay, group 2. Okay, let's give them a round of applause. Group 3. Okay, very good. Let's also give them a round of applause. Let's clap our hands. Let's clap our hands. Okay. Don't forget, class, to appreciate the effort of your classmate. You have to clap your hands when they are doing good, even if they're also doing bad in the activity. Okay. Let's proceed to our new lesson. So, based on our activity, what is a sector? Okay, Mr. Aquino.
A sector is a region bounded by an arc of the circle and the two
radii or radii.
Radii to the end point of the arc.
Okay, so according to our activity or based on our activity, a sector is the region bounded by an arc of the circle and two radii to the end points of the arc. So what is an arc? So if there is a circle, the curved part of the circle is called the arc. And the radii, radius. So when can you tell that the part of a circle is a radius? So the center, what are the endpoints of a radius? Okay, very good, Mr. Cyrus. So the two endpoints of a radius is the center and any point on the circle. Okay, let's find out what does a sector look like. So this is what the sector looks like. So based on the figure, asa man ani ang sector? Ang kining blue, kining yellow, kining green.
Yellow.
Kining yellow? Yellow ka ha? So based on the definition, yellow or ang blue?
Blue.
You got it wrong. It is the yellow one. So, tanong ng definition. So, this is the arc. So, sakto siya. No? Sakto siya. Bounded by an arc. And two radii. So, kanang radii is a plural form of radius. So, kining isa ani, mo ang isa ka radius. Pila na? Isa. Kini? So, doon na ka radius. Then, apoy, isa ka?
Arc.
Mo ni siya ang sector. Dili kining blue. Kining blue, so ito gani.
Brown. Radius.
Dili. Dili siya sector. Dili siya circle. Part of the circle lang. No? Kining green, angle na siya. Okay, based on the activity as well, how will you find the area of a sector? Okay, the first step is determine, basa ko na sa Ras, play ko rin.
Determine first the ratio measure of the arc 360.
Measure of the arc over.
360.
Okay, what does the measure of the arc, ani? Based on this. What's the measure of the arc? Wala ka balo si Aliyah. Okay. The measure of the arc, kining dire, is the same as the measure of the angle. Kining angulo ni. So, mag-base siya, o pila ang measure sa arc, mag-base siya sa central angle. Okay, the second step, please read, Aliyah.
Find the area of the circle using the equation. Area equals to
Pi
Pi radius.
r squared.
r squared, where is the length of the radius and
Okay. As you can recall, the area of the circle is A equals pi r squared. Pi is, pila yung value sa pi?
3.16.
Na 3.16, 3.14. So, aside from 3.14, napa na extension, but it is approximately 3.14. So, R is the, R ano nila? Kiling apart or kini? Kasi R nila. Kini?
Yes.
Okay, very good. So, that is the R. So, third step, please read. Mr. Kino?
Letter E.
Letter E. Okay, please read.
Get the product of the ratio measure of the arc over 360 and the area of the circle.
So, the first step, nag-determine ta sa ratio. And the second and the third step, imo nang i-multiply ang nakuha nimo sa step 1 and the step 2. Now, this time, let us try how to find the area of the sector. Balik sa first slide. That's the previous slide, rather. Okay. The problem is, the radius of circle C is 10 centimeters. Please read down.
The radius of the circle C is 10 centimeters
Squared.
If
The measure of
the measure of
arc AB
RAB minus 60, what is the area of sector ACB?
Okay, based on the previous slide, based on the previous slide, you will get first the ratio. So the ratio can be obtained by measure of the arc over 360. So given this figure, so what is the measure of arc AB?
60.
Okay, very good, you. 60 degrees. So that will be also the measure of arc AB. So, ano may butang sa numerator sa denominator?
Numerator.
Very good. So, 60 sa numerator and
60
360.
over 360.
Okay, do you ever wonder why 360 ang nasa ubos? So, what's the measure of the entire circle?
Because
So, an entire revolution of an angle is equal to 360.
60.
Okay, that is why the over is 360. Okay, moving forward, 60 divided by 360, pila?
81.
81. That is not how you will get the answer. You will only simplify 60 over 360. So the answer is 1 over 6. So are we done, class?
Yes, sir.
Wala
Yes, sir.
pa. That is only the first step. Okay, moving forward. Okay, next slide. Okay. According to the steps in finding the area of sector, the second step is find the area of the circle. Okay, please read. A is equal to
Pi
R squared,
r squared
which is the formula in getting the area of.
the circle.
Okay, very good. So, given nga na naman tayo value ni pi, pila yung value ni pi?
3.14.
And there is a figure, what is the length of the radius? Pila?
10 centimeters
Okay, very
squared.
good. So, what we can do is that you will only substitute the given value. Okay, following the area, the formula and getting the area of the circle, we have pi as 3.14 times, pila ni? 10
Centimeter
squared.
squared.
Then, continuing the process, you will get, pila?
314
centimeters squared.
squared.
So are we done?
No.
No, sir, because it is only the
Area of
second step. Second step pa lang ta. Okay, moving to the next slide. So this is the last step in the process.
product.
Kaniya, nakakuha na ta sa first unsa? Ratio. Mo the first step, nakuha na ratio. Second is the
Area of the
Area.
circle.
Okay, since nakakuha naman ta sa area and the product of the ratio, I know, not product of the ratio, but the ratio, you will multiply ratio times area. Okay, area of sector ACB is equal to 1 over
6.
times 14
314
centimeters squared.
squared.
So I want you to get your scientific calculator and find out if you got also the same answer. The same ba?
Yes, sir.
Okay, sakto ra. So the answer is 52 point.
33 centimeters squared.
So nahuman na ta.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Mao ni ang point nga nahuman na ta sa atong sa atong process. So based on this figure, asa man na sector ani?
6.
Kining puti or kining blue?
Blue.
Oh, kining blue. So kining blue pila area ani?
52.33 centimeters
Centimeters.
squared.
Ano yung area? Dili ang 16. Sa angle man to. So, kini lang nga area, ang una niya is 52
.33 centimeters squared.
Okay, very good. Moving to the next slide. So, based on the activity that was given to group 2, so how will you define a segment? Okay, someone raised his right hand. Okay, what is the answer, Mr. Romil?
A segment of a circle is a region bounded by an arc and segment joining its endpoints.
Okay, and the segment joining its endpoints. Okay, according to the definition, a segment of a circle, balik sa slide, previous slide. Balik. Sige pa. Okay, a segment of a circle is the region bounded by an arc. What is an arc again? As an arc kani, kining dire or kining linya?
Linear.
Kining curve. Okay. And the segment joining its endpoints. So where is the segment here? Kini or kini? Kini.
Yes.
Very good. Okay, the segment joining its endpoints. So suppose this is the arc of the segment. Kini gikan aning kita ra? Okay, gikan ani tawan diri. So mo ni ang endpoints sa arc. So suppose kini A ni siya din kini kay Y. So the arc is AY. And the segment is formed joining the endpoints of arc AY. It's also the segment is called AY po. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay, based on this figure, asa ang segment? Kining puti, kining triangle na puti, or kining murag bahak na circle?
Triangle na puti.
Di. Kining yellow, kining murag bahak na circle. Okay. Moving forward, there are also steps in finding the area of a segment. Okay, ang segment, ang sector, mura siya slice sa circle. Dayon, ang segment kay part na po siya sa slice sa circle. Okay, let's find the area of the segment rather. Okay, the first step, please read.
Find the area of the sector.
Sector. Okay, nakabalam mo ito ganyan, no? Resolve naman ta, right? So, the same process will be done in step 1. Okay, step 2.
Find the area of the triangle and
triangle. What is the
Very
formula in
good.
getting the area of the triangle? Okay, very good. A equals 1/2 times base times height. Okay, number 3.
find the area of the sector, area of the triangle minus area of the triangle formed by the radii.
Saan ni Raday gani? Moral sa
Radius.
moral sa radius. Okay, this time let's try a problem in finding the segment. Okay, Cyrus. Please read the the problem. Please read.
The shaded region in the figure below is a segment of circle T. It is the region bounded by P,
R,
PT,
and segment
PT. If the measure arc
of arc PT
minus 90
equals
90 and the radius is 5 cm, then the area of the sector
PTQ
is 1/4 of the area of whole circle.
Okay, based on this figure, where do you think is the segment? Is it the purple or the white triangle or the white portion of the circle?
The purple.
Okay, very good. So that is the you will find the area of this part, which is the purple part of the circle. Okay, let's try finding out the area of that portion. Okay, the first step is finding the area of the sector. Nga nakabalon mo tagat niya, you find the ratio of the and then multiply it by the area of the circle. Okay, first is pila to measure aning arc gani? Play measure?
90.
Okay, the same man dapat sa central angle. Okay, ang sunod, pila yung value ni pi?
3.14.
3.14. Ang kining radius, aman makita ng radius. Kini, aman. Kini, right? Okay, pila man?
5 cm.
Okay, very good. So, given na naana tayo pi, na po tayo value ni measure of the arc, na po tayo radius, so makasolve na ba ta?
Yes, sir.
Okay. 90 divided by 360, pila?
1/4.
Okay. 3.14 times 5 squared. Na tayo, 3.14 times
25
centimeter squared. So, okay, I want you to get your scientific calculator as well and find out if you got the same answer. The same, ra?
Yes, sir.
Okay, the answer is 19.63 centimeters squared. So, are we done with the process?
No.
No. Okay? Napata sa?
Step 1.
Pila gito ka steps?
3 steps.
Okay, 3 steps. Okay, moving forward, we have the second step. So, the second step is finding the area of triangle PTQ. So, the area in finding the area of the triangle is 1/2 times base times height. So, asa mo na triangle ni Cyrus?
The white.
White. So, kini nga, triangle, right? Kini? Sakto ba? Sakto? Sakto? Right?
Yes.
Correct? Wrong? Minus? Sakto ba ito? So, just kidding aside. So, the triangle kay kini ra, no? Kini? Okay. Makasolve ba ta given nga kini lang ang mga numbers? Sakto ra?
No.
Masolve ka po siya. Ano ba the radius of 5 centimeters? And since it is a special triangle, kining leg niya kay the same as the leg po ani. So 5 ni siya, 5 po ni siya dito. Pareho man sila. You understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Given nga natin radius, so what we do is that we'll just only substitute the given. Okay, 5 times 5, pila?
25.
Okay, 25 times 1/2, pila?
25/2.
Okay, 25 over 2 centimeters squared. No? Okay. Pila yung 25 divided by 2? Pila?
12.5 centimeters squared.
Okay, 12.5 centimeters squared. So, naman na ba ta?
No.
Wala pa. Sakay? Pila pa ni? Second
steps.
Second step pa ni. Wala pa ito naman. So, what is the third step? Third step. The third step is you will find the area of the sector minus the area of the triangle. So, why do you think nga kailangan ba man nato isabti minus ang area sa triangle sa area of the sector? Okay, previous slide, balik sa slide. Ibalik na slide. So, kaya, unsay nakita ni mo dire na portion? Ano tawag gali ani? Kini siya? Kini? Kini ha?
Sector.
Yang segment, kini raman yung kaon. Ano sa may buhaton? Sa may buhaton, ano eh? Sector man.
Minus.
So, kaon lang, since kabalo naman kapilay, balik. Since kabalo naman kapilay area ani dapit, nya kining sector kabalo na pud ka, sa may baton, kaon ni mong area ani, i-minus nimo sa triangle, pili mabilin. Kini na lang, di ba? Sige. Next slide. So that is why we will subtract the area of the sector and area of the triangle. Okay, 19.63 minus 12.5 centimeters squared. Will I answer? Please check. 7 point.
13 centimeters squared.
So are we done?
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. So we are done with our process. Any questions, clarifications regarding our discussion?
No, sir.
Okay, this time I want you to get any piece of paper to write your answer, to illustrate your answer, and perform the indicated task per slide. So I will be only giving you 10 seconds to answer each slide. Okay, are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Okay, let's start. So number 1. Let's draw a circle and name it as Circle A. Okay, timer starts now. 1, 2,
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Okay, please show your work. Okay, Kino. Almost. Saira. Almost. Cyrus. Okay, very good. You got it correct. Okay, let's find out what does it looks like. So this is what it looks like. So this is Circle A. Okay, now let's proceed to number 2. Illustrate a sector of a circle provided that the measure of angle EAT is 90 degrees. Okay, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, please show your work. Sarah, you get correct. Pino? Okay, you can do better. Cyrus? Almost. Okay, this is what it looks like. So that is what it looks like. So it is only Sarah who got it correct. Okay, next one. Can you construct a segment of circle A bounded by arc ET and ET provided that the measure of angle EAT is 90 degrees. Okay, timer starts now. Okay, show your work. Okay, almost. Oh, so I think you got it correct. Somehow correct, but not entirely correct. Okay, this is what it looks like. So, mo siya dili. Okay, kasi Rose, hapit siya. Ang nanay sayop niya kay wasyo ka gamaog angle EAT. Okay. So this time, let's fill in the blanks. So this fill in the blanks and put the missing word. Okay, please read.
A sector is a region bounded by an arc.
Okay, very good. An arc of the circle and the two radii to the of the arc. Okay, very good. Okay, let's move forward to the second one. A segment of... Please read, Sarah. Please read. Sarah.
A segment of a circle is the region bounded by an sector, the arc, and the segment
Joining its
segment.
endpoints. Here a question. How does a sector and a segment differ from each other? Cyrus. Okay, very good. Okay, very good. Okay, a sector is a portion of a circle. So, kung sa pizza pa na siya, slice na siya na pizza. And a segment, kung nakaisa ka slice sa pizza, kanang segment, ang part na niya, katurang, kabantay mo sa pizza na ay crispy nga part. Katong gahi. So, kanang crispy nga part, ito na siya ang segment. Kaya dili man siya entire slice of pizza. So, that is how you will differ a sector from a segment in real-life situations. So, as we all know, since we are already done with our discussion, so let's apply what we have learned about sector and segment. Do you agree that mathematics is not just numbers? Do you agree that mathematics is not just formula?
Yes.
Do you agree that mathematics is everywhere?
Yes.
Yes, so that is why this time, let's apply what we have learned in real-life applications. Okay, real-life applications. Okay, this time, class, I will be giving you a problem, and I want you to individually answer the problems. So, we have here number 1. Kindly read, Mr. Bulando.
An umbrella has equally 8 ribs. It viewed as a flat circle of radius 7 centimeters, which is the length of the ribs. What would be the area of 2 consecutive ribs of the umbrella?
Okay, since it is a problem solving, so it is a problem, what we will do first is to understand the problem. So this time, you will understand the problem. So, what do you think is the ribs? So what part of the circle, part of the umbrella is the ribs? The tukog. Sa Bisaya, right? Sa tukog katong, di ba, sa umbrella siya. Naman siya katong tukog. So mo na ang yung ribs. So what that is the ribs of the umbrella. Okay, given the problem and the given properties, let's identify if you can answer it correct. Okay, please answer in your own. Okay, let's check your word. Okay. Tanaw daw ko sa inyong answers. Tanaw ko sa inyong answers. Okay, almost. Okay, you can do better. Okay, very good. Okay. So if you can get the same answer in this PowerPoint, then you got it correct. And getting the correct answer doesn't always mean that you are doing well. But the moment that you realize that it can be solved in another manner, or in another manner that is more easy and quicker, then you got it correct. And the moment that you reflect that you learn actually what you want to intend to solve, then that is how you will determine that you got it correct. Okay, number 2. We also provided number 2. Okay, number 2. Okay, please read it yourself and answer the problem. Read it in silent and answer the problem. Okay, move forward. Okay, hapit na. Padayon lang. Padayon lang, Dwi. Okay, padayon, Dwi. Padayon ba? Okay, very good. Okay, let's find out if you got it correct. So, based on the problem, mag-draw ni mo siya, nga ni ang forma. Okay? Nga ni magporma sa inyo ang kuan. So, nga ni? Almost. Sige, padayon na lang. Sige. Move forward. So, if you got the same answer with this, 64.13, then you got it correct. How many of you got it correct? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, majority of you got it correct. So let's give ourselves a round of applause. Clap your hands. You know. Clap your hands. Okay. Since we are already packed and we have equipped ourselves with skills and knowledge about sector and segment, this time let's check your understanding through a quiz. Okay, Cyrus, please. Let's check your understanding. So it's in the instructions. Okay, I want you to get one whole sheet of paper, and in the front side of the paper you will provide your answer, only the letters, and at the back, if possible, if there is an item that will require you to solve a problem, please provide your solutions at the back of the paper. Okay, are there any clarifications or questions about the instruction? Ay, wala kay papel, Angela? Wala papel? Okay, Pedro, palaglag ko hatag niya papel. Kay papel si Angela. Any questions? Okay, you make questions. Okay, unsa to? 1/2? Not 1/2. So I told earlier that you will get one whole sheet of paper. Not 1/2, not crosswise, not 1/4, but unsa ito? One whole sheet of paper. Okay, any more questions? Okay, wala na. Okay, let's start with our quiz. Na may papers na nan? Okay, so let's start.
Ang gamay ah.
Okay, for your assignment, I have here test questionnaires. Please get one and pass. Okay, I will be collecting that one tomorrow in our next meeting. Thank you and goodbye, class.
Goodbye, Sir Kent.
Kamsahamnida.